Mr. Ledwaba.
Ria Ledwaba na Mokoena basusiwe etikhundleni tabo tekuba masekela amengameli weSAFA Danny Jordan. Kepha-ke laba lababili basengiwo emalunga esigungu lesetulu seSAFA, iNational Executive Committee.
There was the issue of a letter which Ms. Ledwaba had sent to the minister and to SASCOC, and the president had written her an email requesting her to submit the letter. When the meeting was going through the report, they asked her to explain on the letter issue, and she confessed that she sent the letter.
Mutlanse utsile sigungu lesetulu seSAFA sithite tikhona ke letinye tindlela Ledwaba labe angatisebentisa kuveta sikhalo sakhe.
The constitution and that of FIFA is clear on third-party involvement, and she could have looked for other avenues like talking to CAF or FIFA if she felt that the association is not doing right.
Kepha-ke Ledwaba ushaya ngendvuku phasi loku alifukutsele aganela unwabu.
The manner in which it was done in a manner that you could see that it was orchestrated. It was all done. It was just a formality in that meeting. People have prepared themselves to come and remove me. But what I'm pleased with is that I have told them that what they are doing is not right, it's injustice, and football will never grow in the manner that they think they must be able to deal with issues and people and destroy people just like that.
Mokoena wabhalela sigungu lesetulu seSAFA incwadzi etinyangeni letimbili letengcile akhala ngebuholi baJordan.
On Mr. Mokoena, it was the question of his report. The NEC was not happy in that first. They had to see it through the media. The NEC members then felt that he was not fair to them. They then decided that he must also be removed as the vice president.
Kusenjalo kusengakacaci ke kutsi itawubuya nini imidlalo yelibhola lezinyawo kuleli. Mina ke ngingumduduzi Ndlovu. Leti tindzaba te SABC eJozi.